Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna make sopa, and it is this Mexican sopita. And so I use sopita, and I use tomato sauce, 1 can of tomato sauce, and I use consomme. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our oil in our pan already, and these are little seashell noodles, and the Latino people call them sopitas, so conchitas. And then this is tomato chicken bouillon, and the bottle says the Latino call it consomate. So that's what we're going to use. And of course we're going to use some. Okay, that's not going to open. Oh, here we go. So tomato sauce is open and ready to go. I'm going to pour in our noodles. And I'm going to start burning them. Toasting them, toasting them. Make them really toasty. It's somewhat like making Spanish rice, but this is going to be a soup. And my kids love it, especially when they're not feeling well and they're under the weather. They love it. So it takes a while to toast them, so I'll be right back. Okay, so right here, they're nice and toasty, you see? And so I just take 1 can of tomato sauce. 1 can of tomato sauce, and you kind of saute that so it gets a good flavor. That is the trick to making sopita. That is the trick. And I will be adding some onion in there to give it flavor. Not everybody likes onion, so if you don't like onion, you don't have to add it. And then I'm going to add, I already have my water boiling over here, so I'm going to add my water. Add some chicken bouillon. So this you add to taste. It's your preference, like how much you want to add in there. If you don't want a lot, then you just add, and you have to taste. If you don't taste, you're not going to know how much to add in there. And so I just do this. Perfect. Perfect. And there you go. When it's done, I'll be back for the taste. So she's almost done. I think she's done enough. So let me serve. I love the large pieces of onion, but if people don't like it, if you don't like it, you don't have to put it, but I love it. Now, it's really hot. Let me turn this off. So, ooh, it's really hot. To let it cool down a little bit. It's delicious. I love homemade soup. I'd have homemade soup better than canned soup any day. So there you go, girls. Sopita Mexicana. And it's just seashell soup. There you go. Seashell soup. Sorry about that. Enjoy your evening. Thank you. I hope you like my videos. Just leave me comments and let me know how I did. Thank you. Bye.